I love seeing the transformation from the rice when it's small to it getting big. And who doesn't like pitas? And we're gonna fill our pot. No. And we're gonna fill. You're gonna need a half a cup of coarsely chopped. You're gonna need a half a cup of coarsely chopped parsley. This is one of the author's favorites, so they could live on this their entire life if they needed to, for months. They said they could, you know what, forget it. Just take that out. Now, you might be wondering, what spices are gonna, I'd have to tinker with the I hope you liked what you saw. I did. A carrot pineapple sunshine muffin. As always, all you need are the beba duba. And who doesn't like pita crisps? Mint. Just realized I wasn't talking very loud. Grab a glass pipe. The average lifespan of a lemon tree. Did I say spanned? Mexican beer. All the ingredients that you need are listed below. That was a little too aggressive. And get a credit. Go, go, go. I can't stand here. Science! Who doesn't like pita crisps? You have plenty of water. This will do you. What do you mean it's old water? Didn't you just get water earlier? And we're gonna saute this until it's fragrant. Fragrant. We're gonna spoon a little bit of this goodness. I can't wait to taste what it tastes. Humans aren't the only animals that love coconut. Just ask. I'm gonna turn the heat off. Remove it from the heat. The first thing you're gonna want to do the city of Chicago comes from what? Vegans don't eat eggs. And we're gonna bake this for 30 minutes. And we're gonna cover it. And we'll use it a little Now, if you haven't heard of the veg, now, just so you know, you can mix it with hand. You can mix it with hand. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen. And we're gonna sprinkle lid on this beautiful thing. Leeks were quite the popular vegetable. If I didn't know any better, I'd think this was a grape smoothie. Who the fuck has a grape smoothie? But ancient Greeks and Romans, I just spit. Did you see that? Redo it. The average lifespan of an olive tree. The average lifespan of an olive tree is between 3 and 6. Do that. Fun fact. I googled it. Into half-inch pieces. I say pieces all the time. Pieces, pieces, pieces. Like you almost, there's really not like